Welcome to Science by PK. In today's video, we're traveling deep into space to explore one of the biggest mysteries of our home galaxy. What is really in the center of the Milky Way? When we look up at the night sky, the Milky Way appears as a soft, glowing band of stars stretching across space. But what we see is only a small part of the story. The true center of our galaxy is hidden behind thick clouds of gas dust, making it impossible to see with normal telescopes. Astronomers know the center exists because everything in the Milky Way is slowly orbiting around something. Our solar system, along with billions of other stars, is moving through space in a giant spiral. This motion suggests that an extremely massive and powerful region lies at the galaxy's core. The center of the Milky Way is located about 26,000 light years away from Earth. It is a crowded and energetic area filled with intense radiation, fast-moving stars, and enormous clouds of gas. Some stars there orbit incredibly fast, far faster than stars elsewhere in the galaxy. Scientists begin asking an important question: what could possibly cause this? To investigate, astronomers use special tools like infrared and radio telescopes. These instruments can see through the dust and reveal what's happening deep inside the galaxy. Over many years, scientists carefully tracked the movement of stars near the center and noticed something strange. The stars were orbiting an invisible object with immense gravity. At first, this invisible object could not be seen directly, but its influence was undeniable. The faster the stars moved, the stronger the gravitational pull had to be. No ordinary object could explain it. At the very center of the Milky Way lies a supermassive black hole known as Sirius A. This black hole has a mass about 4 million times greater than our Sun. It is surrounded by a dense region of stars, gas, and dust called the galactic core. Despite how powerful it is, this black hole is surprisingly calm. It isn't actively pulling in large amounts of matter, and it poses no threat to Earth. Our solar system safely orbits far away, unaffected by its gravity. So what is really in the center of the Milky Way? A massive invisible black hole quietly anchoring our galaxies, hidden inside one of the most extreme regions in space. Thanks for watching Science by PK. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.